Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Alright guys, so you just have to enter your username and password. The username and password, it is available in the document that your assigned teacher has shared with you. So just look for your name and make sure that you're using the correct username and password that are intended for you only. Okay? So yeah. So after that, alright, you have to click on login, and then you will see the Phonics Hero loading. Alright? Okay, so it will take you to this page. Alright, and then you will see your student's name or your child's name here. And you just have to click on play games, and it will take you to this. Alright, okay, so it will take you automatically to the game itself. So either you can launch it as full screen or not. Alright, so once you've clicked on launching it as a full screen and get started, so this one will appear. So automatically you will be playing the first level. So you just have to follow the instructions. Okay, let's click on the first level and wait until it gets loaded. Alright, so yeah, and follow the instruction. For example, the instruction will say like, click on the letter that makes the sound of s, so, or ah. Alright, so there you go. Anyway guys, enjoy playing and see you in the next video. Bye.